Yes, good day class. I got a video right now for you guys, and this video is one of the most revolutionary videos that I've done so far and might be one of the most useful videos. This video is going to show you guys how to make 3D assets, 3D characters for video games, animation, or 3D printing for free using AI. It's going to take minutes to do this. So I suggest that you guys follow along with me while I'm doing this so you don't waste time. Because if you do it while I'm doing it, you will probably be finished around the same time as the video is finished. All right, so the first thing we're going to do, we are going to go to Leonardo AI. Link in description. Now, get started. I did a video already explaining how to use Leonardo AI, but we're going to go to image creation. Your credits are up here. You got 150 of them. Don't worry, we won't even be using a quarter of that. Now, what we're going to do is see this text that I got. Anime tpose arm spread, black shoes with text Sike on them, full body front facing symmetric cartoon 8-bit pixelated character, blue jay bird with leather jacket. Now what you want to focus on in this prompt is tpose arm spread, also full body front facing symmetric, right? This is how you're going to get this pose, and we need this pose for this AI to 3D to come out good, okay? Because if it looks like this, it will not come out as good as this is going to come out. So what I'm going to do, I already have this image generated. So after you put in your prompt, you go to generate, right? And you'll get your images. I chose this one because this one is facing straight at the camera, its arms are out. And another reason we want the arms to be out is because if we were to animate this or rig this character, we would want this T-pose for an automatic rig. Okay, so we're going to download this image. Now what we're going to do, we're going to go to Rodin AI. Link in description, folks. So this is what we're going to do. Right over here with this plus, we're going to put this in. Or you can put text and it can make it as well. But I like to use the image I already have so I'm not wasting the prompts here. So let's go to the one we chose. Open. Right here, generate. There you go. It's now done. This is how it's going to look. You can spin it around and it's 3D. One thing I really like about Rodin compared to other 2D to 3D AI generators is that Rodin does exactly what your image is instead of like creating what it thinks it is. One image, I guess one generation is half a credit. Cool. Look how fast this is. Like seriously, that is super fast. I generated once, twice. Now it's the third time we're going to generate it. And this time when we generate it, it's going to put in the texture that this has. Because right now, this is how it would look if you were to 3D print it. All right, here's your image, folks. And look, the mouth looks like it's open, right? So we're going to go to confirm, bomb, and download. So now it's generating it and we're going to download it. So now that it's finished, we're going to go to open it. You're going to see this zip file, right? So let's just create another folder so we can have everything in place properly. And we're going to call this folder 2D to 3D. Drag that. We'll just right click it, go to extract here, and here you are. Now, it should be in the PBR. Here it is, base OBJ. What we're going to do now is we're going to open up Blender quick, because I want to show you guys that you can bring it into your Blender. Now let's go to File, Import, and it will be an OBJ file. So we're going to go File, Import, OBJ, which says Wavefront OBJ. So as you can see, here's our image. All right, so now it's imported. It looks like this. This would be cool if you're just going to 3D print it. But as you can see, there's no textures on it. There's no color. We want to fix that. So to the right, you're going to choose the material properties. Okay. You're going to go to new. Base color, this little yellow dot, click that. You're going to want to go to image texture. Okay. Now you're going to go to open, downloads, 2D, 3D, wherever you had put that 3D folder that you created, that 3D image you created. Now you're gonna go to PBR, and you're gonna pick shaded PNG, open that, and there you go. Your guy is back in, your guy is fully ready for video gaming. It was quite a little bit of a process to get the textures from Blender onto Mixamo. So what I had to do was go to File, Export as a FBX. Over here, you're gonna make sure path mode is on copy, and then you would go to export. Okay, yeah, so when you're in here, what you wanna do is, we're gonna delete this one so you guys can understand. After you export into your folder wherever, you're gonna see an FBX and an FBM file, right? So we're gonna select both of these, FBX file, and after you export it, you're gonna see an FBX and basically a texture folder like this. So you're gonna select them both, right click, archive, right? Now from the archive, you're gonna make sure this is on zip, because if it's on RAR, it won't work. So you're gonna go to OK. Now it's gonna create this folder. We're gonna go into Mixamo, upload, select character, and pick where it was, right? In the zip folder. As you can see, it's loading in, and it has the textures. Beautiful, right? Now we're gonna go to next. All you're gonna do is copy follow what it says. It says the chin. I'll leave the chin over here, even though that's the mouth. We got the wrist, elbow, knees, groin. We'll go to next, and we're going to let Auto Rig do the magic, folks. And here's our character. Our character is ready. Now let's just make him do a little bit of dancing. And until next time, keep learning, keep teaching.